Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to another video. So in this one we are going to look at how we can fix this here. When you get close to your objects, you can see that there is an invisible plane that cuts through your geometry. So in order to fix this, all you need to do is to go to your project settings and search for clip, and here you have this near clip plane settings. You can set it on a very low number, for example 0.5, and remember, don't set it on 0 because it's going to create some bugs and problems. So put it on a number like this, 0.5 or 0.1 even, and then restart your editor. It also doesn't show you this restart editor button which you see when you change the settings, so you have to do it by yourself. So close Unreal, open it up, and now you can see that the clipping is gone. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.